Hi there, let's solve another problem, this time Python division. Let's go. So let's go through the problem statement. Here we have been given two integers a and b in std_in and we have to print two lines. The resulting line should have the first integer division a/b and the second should have a floor division of a/b. So in the example we have been given a is equals to 3 and b is equals to 5. The result should be 0 and 0.6. So the first line is result of the integer division 3/5 is equals to 0, because integer division just gives us the value before the decimal points, and in the float division 0/5 we get the entire value like 3/5 equals to 0.6. So let's solve the problem. First write print. First is the integer division, so we write a/b. Second, we write print a/b. Now let's run the code and see the test case. So yeah, our sample test case is true. We can submit the code now. As you can see, the expected value and our output are matched. So the submitted code runs, the test cases are true. And that's it. Your division problem solved on HackerRank. Easy, right? If this helped, like the video, subscribe because we are solving a ton more together. Next up is loop in Python. Don't miss it.